bonjour, bonjour. I just wanna know you c'est tout. You got me fait attention.
Hello my beautiful people, this is DJ KGL here. So I am here in the town, and this is the old prison of Kigali. So today I would like to go and see where it is located, the new prison. So I am in my way going there, and maybe it is your first time. You always heard about it. It is located in where? Yes, the place is located at Mageragere. It's in Kigali, and this is my journey today. I am with my friend, and we are driving to that side. So guys, keep in touch, keep on tune, and soon we're gonna be there. We're gonna see and check on the area. So this place here, it is called the Gachinjiro, or some other people call it Gachiriro. Here it is the place where you can see, you can come buy furnitures. This is where you can come and buy something to your home. And yes, so soon we are heading there to that place we like to go, and you are welcome, and welcome back if you are not new, and if you are new, please do that favor and be supportive. Subscribe, guys. Guys, look the view. Kigali, there it is Kimisagara, that place I was showing you. To the other side, here we heading to Nyamirambo, Birjogo place, and then this is Kimisagara there, guys. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but that is the place. Very and many houses and the place it's on the hill. Okay, let's go. Now we are at Nyamirambo Biryogo. This is Gaddafi Mosque. Uyu muni wo wita Madina, uyu musigiti. Yes, this is Madina Mosque. So this is Biryogo Hood. It is not your first time. Oh, and the guy told me this mosque is called Mageragere. Uri kuri 40. It is located at the place called 40. And that one is located to be in at Biryogo. So this is the place. It is a very beautiful place. People love this place really, and it is the popular place here. And we are turning around to see someone, but then when we continue our journey, I gonna again tell you and showing you the place and the way to go there to the prison. So this is Biryogo Hood, the gangster hood. This is very different place from other places in Kigali. So so guys, we're taking our way again. You see, and we're coming back where we was. And when you're passing here, you go to Kimisagara, and the place really the end of Rwandan cycling tour. When they have tour, this is very up and very high place they come to finish the tour. So we still at Nyamirambo. This place it is called kuri 40 place. Yes. So we heading like this way, and remember we are going to Mageragere, where we will meet the biggest prison in Rwanda. And I like to know the place. It is my first time, and the second, I like you also to know where is that place. Stay in touch, guys. I am trying to show you where you can pass. I know there is another way, maybe to Gikondo you can pass and go meet the same way, but I was like first of all to come and show you guys where it was before, and finally I gonna show you where now it is located. So keep in touch, guys, and you can subscribe. So this is the St. Andre Catholic Church, and this is the court, and down here there is a school called the St. Andre also college, and here is Urukiko Rukuru High Court. This is where you know where they come for the court. So ahead here also we have the stadium. We have a stadium there, but for us we need to pass here because we remember we are going to Mageragere. So stay in tune, guys. Don't miss any second of the tour. So let's have a fury kwanza tujibambe na fury. Okay. having some fuel here so that we can be secure when we are going, because we are going far. So we need to have some fuel to be sure we will make the journey. So this is how in Rwanda people they get fuel. You come and have someone to serve you, then you pay for only the price for the fuel, and the guy who is working here, he's gonna be paid monthly. I don't know how much, but this is how they do. And one, as you can see, the price are there, and this is how it is the price for the fuel, and you can pay through the code here number due to COVID-19. So guys, we're going, we start. Yes, now we start our journey after having fuel, and this is the school here called St. Andre. Yes, many people knows the school. So we going this down, and this way can go till Barutabura. Yes, this is the same way you can go, and if you like to go to Warutabura. So this is how we going, guys. The press there, it is at Rebero, and it is in Chichukiro, Gikondo. So we're going so much this down here, and yes, it's very down in the beginning of the hill. So the first time, guys, to come here, let me give you the full view. guys, this place is called Mumiduha. This is the place called Mumiduha. If guys you didn't know the place, look how the place is warm. Really, place is very warm. People are many. Movement are so many here, guys. Look, they are walking. They are very busy place. I have noticed something, guys. Inside there we call it city center. You can't find the place where people they are very active, like I can see here or other place I always passing. When I am outside of Kigali, I used to get very warm place, very beautiful, and you can see people, they are always active. They are walking, people, they are very serious on the job. Look, so we're going down here. We left the tarmac street. Then we are coming here in this street you can see here. But still, people look at that one on the bike. I don't know where they are going, but very risky. Very risky, guys. So we're taking this street very I can say it's bad because we are shaking all the time. So let's have the view of this place. Guys, have you seen how bad is the street? Very bad, really. Some transport, you can have it here, and it means still you can come and have your living place here. But I think soon the street will be so beautiful so that you can pass without any problem. Because now it is very dusty street, and you can see imagine when it is raining how it's gonna be looking like. So let's still going as we are enjoying the view, Rwandan view. Now we are heading to Mageragere Prison. So we are heading now, we are still at Miduha, and keep enjoying the view, guys. And if it is your first time, please guys, be supportive, like the content and subscribe. So let's go, guys. So enjoy the view, guys. We're still going in this crazy street. So guys, you can see we are there. It is on the top of the hill, so you can see many people here coming to visit their people here. So the prison is here on the top, on the very top of the hill. So that's why you can see many people, many cars. So I gonna stop with filming now. Guys, you can see this is the press. This is Mageragere Prison here. So this is why people are so many here now. You can see how many people are here, but the building up there, it's their building, no necessarily. So guys, this is the press. So the building are not really here around. It is far. When you are going there, you need to come past the gate, going up, very up, and there you can see someone. I don't know the rules, but I think this is how you need to go one by one, check it, and till you are there. So I hope, guys, the journey was so good. I hope journey was very beautiful, and you know the place, you have idea. So guys, keep in touch, and it's very nice to be with you guys. And if you have someone here, you can come and visit him. They need help, they need support, and they arrive here. They staying here. You see, it's on the top of the hill, and yeah, you can come and visit someone if you have someone here. Or yes, so let's meet the next time, guys. Ciao. I love you so much, all of you guys. Bye. So we like, guys, to visit someone here. We're gonna see, and that we can be inside. So ciao, guys. Thank you for your good support. Now we are on 600 people, guys. It's amazing, and I thank you so much everyone who support me. So guys, look how many people are here. A long line really. So from here, and you can see how many cars, bikes are here. Many people, and remember other people also, they was coming by own way with no cars, and I think there are many. Let's wait and see if we can be inside really. And to go inside here, it requires to be, yes, vaccinated, full vaccinated, and nothing else. Yes, and then after showing up your certificate that you are vaccinated, you have to wait for many hours because people are so many here. So let's wait for our turn, guys, and later we're gonna see if we will be inside. But the compound, it's there where we can't see really. I wish if I can be allowed to go inside with the camera, but it's okay. And you can see cows there. I don't know if it is the cow to the prison, under prison ownership, and it is located up to the hill. Oh my God, now you can see. I'm gonna give you the zoom. You can see the fence, that big fence up there. I hope you can see. So it is a long journey to go there from here on the gate. Look how far it is. There on the top of the hill. So from there up here, I don't know if we will going till up there, or if prisoners come down till here to meet the visitors. I really don't know. I'm gonna tell you later. So ciao guys.